Erasmus has been working on creating experience in his team over the last few years. It hasn't been without its challenges, and for the match against Wales, he says he was forced to pick a 7-1 split on the bench.
Having a 7-1 bench split and Kobus covering wing as well. You don't want your 9 to start and then you go from 9 to wing, so we've got Kwagga also covering for us in the back line and then Ben Jason also, if we do get 3 injuries in the back line, which is very possible in a game like this.
Erasmus says he gave 49 players game time this season with an eye on the 2027 World Cup, and Reinach stands out.
But Kobus has been unbelievable this year. I think he really is taking a role where he is helping the other 9s, but I've never seen him so involved with planning and tactics and those kind of things. And it's funny, you don't quite know when a player gets to that, and he's really taking a senior role of that, helping Grant.
The match kicks off at 5 o'clock on Saturday afternoon. Harry Olivier, SABC News.